Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited. So this is video number 2. As I had mentioned before, this video is going to have a little bit of everything. You're gonna have beauty, you're gonna have lifestyle, DIY, fashion, all that good stuff. Everything that makes me me. So today's video is gonna be all about the Butterfly Pea Flower tea. This tea, it's delicious. It's actually a very light taste, but I don't know if it's because I know what the healing properties are or if it's just my mind. I don't know, but every time that I drink this tea, it's just so relaxing to me. I love to drink it whenever I'm scripting at night, so it just kind of like ties in my night at the end. Whenever I want something sweet, I can pop that in with some ingredients that we're going to be talking about. So yeah, some of the properties that I love that are in this tea is the fact that it's good for your skin, it's good for your hair, it's good for, I don't know, there's just so many things, but those are the things that I love about it. So it's good for your hair, it's good for your skin, it's good for your mind, it's good for if you have insomnia, it's even an aphrodisiac. Like, there's just so many good things about this tea, so I highly recommend it. It tastes super yummy, and I'm just gonna make it be even, we're gonna heighten that. We're gonna heighten it so that way it's even at a better level, even more delicious. As far as for my outfit, I'm just kind of keeping it simple and cute. It's my day off, so something comfortable. I have my Doc Martens shoes, my booties. Keeping it comfy with this little overalls from Shein. I can wear it up or down, but I feel like kind of a dork with it up, so down it is. And then lastly, what's better than dressing up a simple black outfit than with your statement makeup and statement earrings? So that's what these are right here. These were made from a friend of mine. Her name is Isela. I will be linking her information down below. She's a self-made boss. This is her own business, so definitely go out there, support. She just recently moved to San Antonio, so she may have some pop-ups there. So yes, go out there to support. I'm gonna leave her information down, but these are awesome. I freaking love these. They remind me of the 90s or something. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is make the tea. So we're gonna be needing the butterfly pea flowers. I ended up getting this off of Amazon. It was pretty cheap. I don't remember the price, but I will link it down below. But that's how I was able to find it. I thought I would find it at Sprouts and I didn't. So I ended up just having to go online and I found it there. So yeah, you need your butterfly pea flowers. I do recommend to get a big pot, and we're going to be making 6 cups. So I do have this little pitcher. It came with my Ninja, but it's exactly the amount that I need. And we're going to use 6 cups of water to 4 tablespoons of our butterfly pea flowers. I always like to kind of fill it up more than 6 cups. So while this is boiling, it is going to take a little bit. As that's boiling, I am going to take 4 tablespoons of my pea flowers. Damn, this isn't gonna work. So I had to mount it so that way we can put this in here. But we're going to put 4 tablespoons of our dried up pea flowers. 3 and 4. And it really doesn't look like much, but that is all that you need. And these are them. They smell really good. They actually smell like kale chips, but they're really pretty. It's a nice, pretty, like blue color, vibrant blue. And they're already dried up. Also, this is a decent sized bag. It's a pretty big bag. I've already made about 6 pots of tea, and I still have pretty much the whole bag. So I believe it was $16 or $12, something like that, but it's totally worth it. All right, so I already turned it on, so it's gonna be boiling, and let's dump in this water into our pot. All right, so now that our water is ready and boiling, we want to take our flowers and just drop them in. We're just going to drop them in and let them steep for about 8 minutes. So as you can see, now this is starting to release its beautiful blue color and all of its healing properties. We're just going to let it steep in there. I'm just making sure that all of the flowers are drenched and inside there. We're just gonna let it sit. Look at the pretty blue water. It's so pretty. So this is almost done. This is the Admiral Blue that we want. But I'm just gonna let it just seep a little bit more, as much as we can. We want to get all those nutrients in there. But typically, whenever you do let it steep, it's going to be about 7 minutes, no more than 10. So now that these are done, we're going to strain them and just take them out. Take some more out. Look at how pretty they are. Such a pretty color. So for my first drink, what I like to always do, and this is when I like to have it hot, is it'll be my fresh brewed tea. So as you see, it's still hot and steaming. Then I'll just grab my honey and put a tablespoon of honey in my tea, and that's it. This is best because it's hot, so I love doing this best whenever I am scripting. It just makes, it's very calming, very soothing, very relaxing. So I love to have this tea at night. All right, so I'll literally just pour my tea. And then I'll get my honey and just pour about a tablespoon of that. And then just let it melt in here. Now, because it is hot, it is going to just melt that honey. Now, this is so super yummy. I like to even have this whenever I want something sweet because of the honey that's in it. So this is just nice, relaxing. This is really good for nighttime. And if you see, here's that beautiful indigo blue color. It's just super relaxing, so. Next is going to be the blue milk tea. So with that, what we're going to be using again is going to be our local honey. So we already have a tablespoon of this inside of our tea. This is the tea that we were drinking earlier. So it's still nice and hot. Whenever I drink my chocolate milk, I prefer hot chocolate milk for some reason. I know it's a little gross, but this is the milk that I use. I do not drink regular milk. I only drink almond milk or any other kind of milk besides regular milk. I do find that out of all of the almond milks, I've drank Silk, Blue, blue almond, I believe it's what it's called, or silk. I always find that this one is the best because it does not leave a film. I usually have like an aftertaste with the milk or like a filmy film on my palette, but with this one I don't. So I recommend Great Value almond milk. I don't know how great it is, but it tastes good. So to about half a cup of my blue tea, then I just start putting in my almond milk, and I don't fill it up too much, maybe just about half. But yeah, look at that awesome color. So yes, and I go in and just mix it all together. And this is the refreshing blue milk tea. Super yummy. Okay, now these two drinks are gonna be more refreshing. It's gonna be more on the colder side. We do have our ice in the cup. So for this one, we're gonna be needing, of course, our Butterfly Pea Flower tea and then the cran apple ocean spray. So this is gonna be a little bit more refreshing and lightening. Of course, we're gonna start with our tea. So I already have ice in there. We're pouring in the tea. I never like to fill up my cup because I don't know, it just looks prettier like this versus all the way up. And then next we're gonna bring in our cran apple juice. I could not open that, but I got it. So we're putting in half to our Butterfly Pea Flower tea, and then we're bringing in the cran apple juice. And as you saw, it did change. Whenever the acid hits the tea, it changes it to a beautiful purple color. There you have the cranberry Butterfly Pea Flower tea drink. Super nice. And then another refreshing drink we're gonna be having, this is gonna be pretty simple. Our lemon, the Butterfly Pea Flower tea, and then the ice, of course. So let's first start with pouring in the tea once again. Still hot from earlier. Oh, and it has my lipstick on it from drinking. Sorry. And then look at the beautiful color changing. Look at the beautiful color. Oh shit, I can't squeeze it. Okay, here it goes. The tea, it's now starting to change. So with the lemon and the acid, it changes it to this beautiful, like purple color. It's so pretty. And this is super refreshing. And look just what so happens to be right next to you. Why not, right? We'll make it another drink. It's just a little baby shot, it's okay. Days off, enjoy them. It's just a little drink. So now with all those drinks that we made, we still have all of this left over. So we're just gonna cover it up and put it for next time. Can't get it. We have a visitor. Hello there, handsome. And that's it. This is the end of my second video. So thank you so much to everybody who was here till the end. Thank you for supporting me. I hope that this video was informative for you, and I plan to make many more. This is so much fun. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much to everybody who has subscribed. Thank you to my supporters. It's been a fun ride, and I'm talking like I've already done this like forever. This is my second video, but yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited for more. I'm excited to make more videos. I plan to do this every week, so make sure to hit that notification bell, subscribe if you haven't already, share this video, comment on it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tasted this tea. If you haven't tasted this tea, let me know if this video has inspired you to want to taste this tea. Yeah, let's get this video moving. Let's get this channel popping. Thank you so much to everybody for supporting me. I'm grateful. Thank you so much. And yes, thank you. I will see you next week. And see you then. Halloween season is here. I am super excited. Get ready for Halloween looks. Yes. So yeah, come back. I will see you next week. Laters. Bye.